Your house need a bath too. It ain't just you. So today is power wash day. Rinsing away old past that was with this boy too. Getting a whole new fresh start. Look at that before and after. Look like we just painted that boy.
We bought a hoarder house, and after getting all their stuff out, we still have work to do.
Getting this nastiness. Ray just love doing this. Bam, right in the garbage can. The next one we gotta pull up is this here. What should I say? Ray gotta pull up. Check out this old washing machine right here. It's an old short one. They still sell this boy. How much is this one we looked at that, babe? Like $200 something. So we gonna keep this joint. I said we can put it on the 3rd floor at our unit. Sure, a little washing machine, but it need cleaned up, that's for sure. And then after we clean this off, it's gonna be a whole porch makeover. So babe, probably gotta unhook this wrap. So they got this tuck. I'm gonna pull this and then they can pull it from the other side. This one looks like it's loose. Look at that rotted wood. Look at that.
Ooh, I like your shirt.
Thank you. That's only. Y'all want to copy y'all one, head over to ARTTLife.com, ARTT.
Trying to set a play up. I was about to be in here.
So I actually had to take that plant from there because it was a little sketchy fella. Came over here. His can was open and everything, and I think the dog was barking through the door at him. And I came in the front and looked, and then he like, oh hey, like he was looking for me or something. Talking about, oh, is it okay if I take one of these flowers? And I'm like, no, that's cool. We can stay there.
You can't even come over here without addressing the smell. You gotta be like, it's fine.
Even on this porch, you're gonna be like, what's that smell?
Guess who's back? Back again. The big homie.
Tell a friend. So round two, we got some real good cleaner. Good for like mildew. I said mildew. Aha, that should be a word. Mildew and mildew. Instant mildew. I said mildew. That's the new word, mildew. When it's mildew and mold together, we're gonna call it mildew. So, instant. Hair quality best up. But this is instant mold and mildew stain remover plus stain blocker. This actually say it removed the stains in just 10 seconds, so that's pretty crazy. Mm-hmm. So we're gonna spray that, but the only thing about it, they said you really can't spray it on aluminum. So we're gonna see what it do. So this is a pump sprayer. Just pump it, get some pressure in there, it'll build up the pressure on here, and then you'll be able to spray.
I'm about to get your mask. For record, this is my mask. I'm letting you use it. It's broke.
It ain't broke. It's some dirt.
Want to use the little poker? Now that's what you call multi-purpose. I have the key.
So this poker just came in handy.
Went right through. Hey, shield, shit.
Never mind, it ain't that loose. Just pop down like that. So let's see how good this cleaner is. I'm just gonna do one section at a time. I don't really see a difference yet, but I was gonna see something dripping off. Man, this thing is really getting hard to start. Choke all the way on. Almost ripped my damn fingernail off because I pulled it. Fingernail got caught under here. I'm guessing this gotta stay at the little turtle, but this thing got a bunch of resistance. About to attempt this again. I see where the push to start come in handy, man, because this some BS.
What's your idea, babe?
Leaving this chair in this table like this. Only cleaning one side so people would know. Like this house was super nasty before we got it. Now you can put one cheek on to go back in the past. And put the other cheek on the future. So,
It's a hard no for me. So the power washer water did that? The pressure of the water? So let's just say this is not Babe's favorite part. Starting to get back up.
Hey, go squeeze that handle on that water.
Just let y'all know, your house need a bath too. It ain't just you. Your house need one too, because this stuff got to breathe. And then it's just going to get yellowish, all bad, looking rusty and crusty. If your house stay looking fresh, come on now. We wouldn't want to keep coming over. See, I got my headgear on because this thing is loud. That's because your ass ain't supposed to be doing it. Leave that alone. We done ran out of gas. Look at that before and after. Man, look at the new metal versus the old metal. Big difference. It's crazy. So with power washing, you just rinsing away all the old dirt, kind of rinsing away the old past that was with this boy. Fresh start. This side over here is so crispy. That boy look like we just painted that boy. That look good. Except for the dirt spots up there, I'm probably gonna have to take that scrubber and go up there. But man, this look crazy over here with some fresh new windows. Paint that bottom. Since we ain't got no gas, right? Just spraying it with the pressure that's coming out of the machine. About to call it a dizzy. Come back over here at 2 miles over. I started raking up this dirt over here, these bricks right here, so I believe this whole section might be bricks. But I'm gonna power wash it and see. I just gotta make sure I do not touch this stuff because it's poison ivy. Right this out of this nasty house. Let's see if we can make it a little better than what it looked like. There was a brick walkway back here. I'm getting mud all on my hands, a dead worm and food in my arm. So I'm gonna rake that back first and then probably blow that off. All this nasty, all this caked up dirt for years that been on this ground. Look at it before and after. It looks crazy. Walkway looking a million times finish this up. I'm gonna spray out the pork and stuff again, and we'll be done.
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to reach